Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily manage the sources you create in Word using the Source Manager dialog box. This dialog box shows all the sources you have created in Word in a master list. Any sources you created in your current document appear in the current list. This is helpful as your source list can sometimes become long and cumbersome. To access the Source Manager dialog box, click the References tab in the ribbon. Then click the Manage Sources button in the Citations and Bibliography button group. To quickly find a source, enter a search term into the Search field. Any matching items then appear in either or both lists below. You can clear the search field to see the full lists again. To determine how to sort the lists, use the drop-down to the right of the search field. You can select either the Sort by Author, Sort by Tab, Sort by Title, or Sort by Year choice. The Sort by Author choice is the default selection in this drop-down. To move a source from the master list to the current list, first click the source to choose it in the master list. Then click the Copy button to copy it into the current list. A copy of the source is then available from the Insert Citation button in the Citations and Bibliography button group on the References tab in the ribbon. To move a source from the current list to the master list, click the source to choose it in the current list. Then click the Copy button to copy it into the master list. To edit a source in either list, click to select the source. Then click the Edit button to open the Edit Source dialog box. Editing a source is covered in the following lesson. A preview of how the citation will appear in your document appears in the Preview Style section, where style is replaced with the citation style you chose. For example, Preview MLA. When finished managing your sources, you can click the Close button to close the dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.